we're playing UFC again. I'm here with my cousin. And yeah, let's just buy some stuff and I'll start fighting. Buy some stuff and I'll start fighting.
There's some good music.
Oh, Skittles. Skittles.
Another one.
Another one.
What?
And another one.
Our girl tattoo with
There we go. Okay, elbow, overhead hammer, spinning elbow. No, we haven't. Oh yeah, we're going to Tennessee, guys.
Are you kidding? Oh my god. How much longer now?
I don't know.
Jeez.
We haven't even left Tennessee. We haven't even left Ohio. I mean, yeah, we haven't even left Ohio to get to Tennessee.
Sounds like try hard ninja.
Mine's gonna be scared.
So, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yes. See, look, Nick. Oh no, Mia's eye is bleeding.
No, it's not. That's not even close.
310.
It's not even close. Okay, so, let's just watch me get beat up. Again?
My nose is bleeding. I can't even hear myself. I can't even hear myself. I can't hear anything. I can't even hear myself. I don't know what I'm saying.
Let's watch this.
That's cool. Holy crap. What? Whoa. What? That's just messed up. Look at how high it is. Look below us.
Bro, we're on a bridge right now. This is awesome. That is awesome. Okay, I would not like to live on that block.
Oh yeah, I would.
But okay. Alright, sorry guys.
Oh my god.
Wow.
We're under like that's the. Oh yeah, we're right in the middle of it.
Bro, I want to live here.
Live here.
I mean, I don't know if I want to live here or not. Yeah, Kentucky.
Yeah, there's the Tennessee.
Oh, wait, we're in Tennessee.
Return.
Alright, let's just watch myself get beat up.
Yeah,
All right.
hopefully you don't get beat up like last time. Wait, where are we?
Kentucky.
As soon as I turn this on, I can't hear a single thing. So
KFC.
Once I play this, I can't hear a single thing. So if you need me, just stop on me.
No, I missed it.
Let's watch Obama Panda.
What?
Oh, what? Alright, don't be like that. Don't be like that. Don't be like that, bro. Don't be like that, bro.
Are we in Tennessee?
Superman punch. He blocked the Superman punch.
This is our lab.
Oh, I lost this one.
Where's that bridge?
Oh my god, look at up there. These people live in awesome places. You can just see the roofs of the house. Dude, there's someone living up there too.
Superman punch. Oh, I hit it.
Alright, Nobody cares about you, Applebee's. Obama,
Oh.
sing it, man.
What? I could have hit that.
What's going on, guys? Alaska Alexis here for College News with another mashup that you didn't know you needed. This time from December
Yeah.
13th.
Hooks all day. Surprising. What was that, like a 2-star? Yep. Oh.
This event is so cool.
Sorry guys, I checked out something. I'm doing one more fight and then call it a video. Alright, let's go boys. Let's go. So alright, everything worked at last, dude. Good game. Oh crap. Wow, well, that was it. Okay, cool. Awesome. Amazingly good. I love it. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's fight. I'll be posting another one tomorrow in the hotel. And, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.